Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about what is meant by a transpose of a matrix and few problems on it. Today we shall continue the problems on transpose of a matrix. If A dash is equal to 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B equals minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then verify that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So let us find solution of this problem. Here A dash is given and B is given. So we have to find A plus B. Then we have to find A plus B whole dash. So first let us find A. So what is the given data? Given data is A dash. A dash equals 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is also given minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we find A. A is nothing but A dash whole dash. That is, we shall take the transpose of the matrix A dash, that is 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 whole dash. So in the last session we have discussed that the transpose is nothing but the interchanging of rows and columns. So that will be equal to, so here first row is 3, 4, it becomes first column. Second row minus 1, 2 becomes second column. Third row becomes third column. So this is A. We shall find A plus B. We shall find A plus B. So A plus B is equal to, so A is 3 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1 plus B. So matrix B is minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we add the corresponding elements. So 3 plus minus 1, minus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 1. Next 4 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3. So A plus B will be equal to, so 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 3, 4. So this is A plus B. A plus B whole dash is nothing but the transpose of the matrix A plus B. The transpose of the matrix A plus B. So here the first row is 2, 1, 1 will become first column and the second row becomes second column. So this is A plus B whole dash. We call this as equation 1. Next we shall find A dash is given and we shall find B dash. So A dash is the given data, and we shall find B dash. So B dash is the transpose of the matrix B. So here the first row is -1 to 1, it becomes the first column, and the second row is 1 2 3, will become the second column. So let us add A dash and B dash, that is A dash plus B dash is equal to 3 4 -1 2 0 1 plus -1 1 2 2 1 3. We shall add the corresponding elements. So that will be equal to 3 plus -1, 4 plus 1, -1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 3. So that will be equal to 3 minus 1, 2, 5, -1 plus 2 is 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So we call this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, it is easily we can observe that they are equal. That is, from 1 and 2, A plus B whole dash will be equal to A dash plus B dash. From 1 and 2, A plus B whole dash will be equal to A dash plus B dash. So that completes this problem. So next problem, if A dash equals -2 3 1 2 and B equals -1 0 1 2, then find A plus 2B whole dash. So solution. So here A dash is given, but we have to find A plus 2B whole dash. So to find A plus 2B whole dash, first we have to find A. So what is our given matrix? So given matrix is A dash. A dash equals -2 3 1 2 and B matrix equals -1 0 1 2. So A is equal to A dash whole dash. That will be equal to -2 3 1 2 whole dash. So the transpose of this matrix is -2 3 will be in the first row. Now it becomes the first column, and the second row 1 2 will become the second column. That is, A is there, B is there. We have to find A plus 2B whole dash. First let us find A plus 2B. So A plus 2B will be equal to, A plus 2B is equal to, so A matrix is -2 1 3 2 plus 2 into B. So B matrix is -1 0 1 2. So that will be equal to -2 1 3 2 plus this 2 is multiplied to the entire matrix. So -2 2 into 0 0 2 into 1 2 2 into 2 4. So this is A plus 2B. Next we have to find A plus 2B whole dash. That means first we have to add the corresponding elements. So A plus 2b is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2, 1 plus 0, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 4. So a plus 2b is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4, 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6. This is a plus 2b. Now we have to take the transpose of this a plus 2b. You will get a plus 2b whole dash. That is a plus 2b whole dash is equal to, so now we have to take the transpose of this matrix. Minus 4 1 will be in the first row here. Now it will be first column. Second row 5 6 will be the second column. So now we have found the required matrix. So a plus 2b whole dash is equal to minus 4 5 1 6. So next is problem number 5. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash, where A equals 1 minus 4 3, B equals minus 1 2 1. So here we have to show that AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. So first we shall find A into B and then take the transpose of the matrix AB. We will get AB whole dash. So consider A into B. So 1 minus 4 3 into minus 1 2 1. So the rule is row into column. See, A matrix is of the order 3 cross 1. A matrix is of the order 3 cross 1 and B matrix is of the order 1 cross 3. The product matrix AB will be of the order 3 into 3. So AB will be of the order 3 into 3. So AB is equal to first row into first column 1 into minus 1. Next, first row into second column 1 into 2, 1 into 1. So here that means the product matrix will be of the order 3 into 3. Next, minus 4 into minus 1, that is second row into first column. Next, second row into second column, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into 1 minus 4. 3 into minus 1, that is third row into first column, minus 3. Third row into second column, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So this is AB. Next we shall find the transpose of this matrix. So the transpose of the matrix AB is nothing but AB whole dash. First row is minus 2 1, that will be written in the first column. Second row 4 minus 8 minus 4 will be written in the second column. 4 minus 8 minus 4. Third row minus 3 6 3 will be written in the third column. So this is AB whole dash. We call this as equation 1. We call it as equation 1. Next we shall find B dash into A dash. So first we shall find B dash. So B dash is the transpose of the matrix B. So that will be equal to minus 1, 2, 1. And A dash is the transpose of the matrix A, that is 1, minus 4, 3. Next we shall take the product B dash and A dash, that is B dash into A dash is equal to this also as usual. B dash will be of the order 3 into 1 and A dash will be of the order 1 into 3, and the product B dash into A dash, the product B dash into A dash will be of the order 3 into 3, will be of the order 3 into 3, that is B dash will be of the order 3 into 1, A dash will be of the order 1 into 3, and B dash A dash will be of the order 3 into 3. So let us take the product of B dash and A dash. So as usual, row into column, that is minus 1 to 1 into 1 minus 4 3, that is row into column. Let us take the product of B dash and A dash. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 2 into 3 6, 1 into 1 1, 1 into minus 4 minus 4, 1 into 3 is 3. We call this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can say, both are one and the same, that is from 1 and 2, AB whole dash will be equal to B dash A dash. That completes this problem. So we pass on to the next problem. So next problem, if A equals cos alpha, sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A dash into A is equal to I. So A is given, we have to find A dash. So A equals cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Next we find A dash, that is the transpose of the matrix. So first row is cos alpha sin alpha in A. After transposing, this first row becomes the first column, that is cos alpha in sin alpha, and the second row becomes second column minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we shall take the product A dash is into A. So first we shall write A dash, that is cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha into A, that is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Next we shall find the product of these two matrices, A dash into A, row into column. So first row into first column. So cos alpha into cos alpha. Cos alpha into cos alpha plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha. That is first row into first column. Next element is first row into second column. That is cos alpha into sin alpha plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Into cos alpha. Next row will be second row into first column, sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha, cos alpha into minus sin alpha. The last element will be second row into second column, that is sin alpha into sin alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha. Next, A dash A is equal to, so cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is sin square alpha. So this is cos alpha into sin alpha plus into minus minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Next here sin alpha into cos alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Here sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha. So now A dash A is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. That is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Cos alpha into sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha is 0. Sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha is 0. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. That is A dash A will be equal to I, because 1001 is an identity matrix. 1001 is an identity matrix. Therefore A dash A will be equal to I. So that completes this problem. Okay, thank you.